Hey guys, welcome back with me again and this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the drawing feature on CapCut to make your photos look cute. So here, just add the photos that you want to edit, and the drawing feature on CapCut can easily be found under the text option. So click on the text menu, and here if you swipe, there will be a draw with this pencil icon. Click on that, and in the draw there are two options: the basic one, which is we can use a basic brush like this, or the pattern, where you can find all of the cute patterns in here. So for example, I'm going to use the pattern drawing this. Let's try this love pattern, and here you can adjust the opacity, also the size, and here you can just brush it off on your picture like this. You can easily make outline, or you can also just add some love in here. So that's up to you. You can just draw it as you like. You can also add more than one pattern. So for example, I'm going to add another one in here. Let's try this flower pattern. You can see, just like that. So you can also make some let's try the basic. You can also make some shape. For example, I'm going to try make some love shape. Here you can just do it like this. Let's try adjust the size, and that's it. Click on the check icon. Now the drawing will be saved as an object, and you can move it around like this. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.